Most TradingView indicators give you too many signals, too late, and cost you trades. But this one, it's clean and deadly accurate and helped me lock in over 300% profit with just a single setup. Watch the video all the way through to uncover the names of the indicators and our private settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, QuantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, we're going to review the first hidden TradingView gem from A to Z. The indicator is an advanced swing structure and trend-following tool built on Hull moving average logic, designed to detect major reversals and track dynamic support and resistance zones. It highlights key reversal levels and keeps them active until breached, giving traders a clear visual framework for price structure and trend alignment, and offering a hybrid approach to structural and trend-based trading. As we can see, the indicator features a main line along with swing levels. Each time the main line changes color, the indicator begins plotting green and blue horizontal zones. You can use them as support and resistance levels to identify key reaction zones. However, our primary focus will be on the HMA-based mainline, which provides directional bias. With that, head to the Settings and, under the Style tab, disable the swing lines for better visuals. In terms of the trading rules, when the HMA mainline changes its color to green, we receive a signal to jump into the long trade. Bingo, the price aggressively moved to the upside, generating a net profit of over $500 within just a few hours. In a bearish scenario, when the HMA mainline becomes blue, it signals an entry into a short trade. Boom! This powerful tool also accurately predicted the downtrend, yielding over $600 in profit from just one trade. To add this new trend indicator, open the Indicators tab. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type HMA swing levels and choose this specific one. At this point, 90% of traders make the same mistake over and over again. Once they discover the indicator's name, they jump right into TradingView and start trading. Don't be like them, because your trading will only hold up until the first consolidation phase, where a wave of fake signals will blow your account. To avoid that, we need to optimize the indicator settings and find an effective trading filter. For the first task, we developed the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, a top-tier tool that allows you to backtest any TradingView indicator in under 60 seconds. Just open the Builder settings, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, select a parameter that aligns with the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the process for the sell signals. Voila! The backtesting results are in instantly, and we're ready to begin the optimization process. With that, head to the Inputs tab. There's just one parameter to work with, but it plays a vital role. We have a trend change parameter, which is used to tune the sensitivity of swing detection. Higher values provide greater trend smoothing, reducing false signals during ranging markets, while lower values increase responsiveness, making it suitable for aggressive scalping. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, QuantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. After hours of testing various combinations, we determined that a value of 36 works best here. Boom! Here's an insane improvement in the HMA trend indicator's performance when using optimized settings versus the default ones. You won't get this from the usual YouTube indicator gurus. As of now, we're going to integrate a new and highly effective volume indicator to further improve the strategy's performance. The confirmation filter we used is a sophisticated indicator designed to identify market impulse moves and volume-based momentum shifts. Combining price deviations with volume analysis, this oscillator dynamically measures market strength and weakness, providing clear signals for potential trend continuations and reversals. With that, to validate a long trade entry from the HMA indicator, the volume bar should have a bright green color, indicating strong bullish market momentum. Similarly, to confirm a short trade entry from the HMA indicator, the volume bar should be bright red, pointing to a heavy, bearish market momentum. Boom! And look at how effectively this volume filter eliminated a lot of false trades during the consolidation phase. To add this next-gen trading filter, open the Indicators tab, search for Impulse Volume Oscillator, and add it to your chart. We will unveil its secret settings very soon, so keep watching. As for now, let's go over complete live examples and dive into the backtesting results. Here's gold, a 15-minute time frame. First of all, the HMA mainline becomes green, so that we get a buy signal. Then, the volume bar has a bright green color, offering us a trade confirmation. We set the stop order just below the most recent low and aim for a take profit using a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. Boom! The price hit our target almost instantly. Here's Bitcoin, a 15-minute time frame. As can be seen, the HMA mainline changes its color to blue, which is a first step to go short. Moving on, the volume bar is bright red, allowing us to jump in. We place the stop above the most recent high and use the same RR ratio. Voila, we close this trade with amazing profits. So, let's head back to our backtesting results. Here are the Ethereum results on the 15-minute time frame, using just the trend indicator with its optimal parameters discovered earlier. Overall, the performance is already solid enough to begin trading. We have a powerful win rate of almost 64% and a mind-blowing profit approaching 300%. However, we're not satisfied with the max drawdown of around 33% as it's relatively high. Moreover, the strategy produced 9 straight wins, compared to 4 back-to-back losses. For this reason, let's apply our volume-based trading filter to lower the risk and boost other key metrics. Go to the builder settings where our filter is now integrated, update the source accordingly, and set the how many bars parameter to 32. Moving on, change the multiplier to 0.9 and adjust the signal smoothing to 21. Finally, turn it on right here. Voila! Our win rate jumped to 71%, and we notably lowered the max drawdown to about 22%. The net profit figure stood at 281% from only 131 trades, indicating a much higher profit per trade. Another important highlight is that we now have 9 consecutive winning trades versus just 3 losses in a row, an improvement over the initial results. Finally, we have a very beautiful equity curve, and as always, the strategy clearly outperforms the buy and hold approach. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.